Yo, what's up? It's Joe from OC Detailing, and behind me I have a Spyder RS. If you don't know what a Spyder RS is, that is a Porsche Boxster that basically has a GT4 RS suspension, motor, transmission, so it is a full-blown race car. It's here today to get a full satin conversion on it. We're going to do that with using UltraFit XP Retro Matte, and I want to walk you through some of the things that we really care about and the things we do when we're installing to ensure we get the results we're known for. Now, if you look, Hugo's over here disassembling this car. We've done this thousands of times, so we're super familiar with doing this the correct way. So for this car to get the great results, we have to, especially doing a matte conversion, the front bumper's got to come off, the lights have got to come out, the mirror's got to come off, the door handle's got to come off, these side vents have to come out, and the rear lights have to come out. That'll let us wrap and tuck everything in and get a really seamless finish. Along with doing that, because this car is such a track monster and throws up so many rocks, we like to do some extra protection on these. So we're gonna put an extra piece of PPF here on top of the big piece on the fender, so you have a tear away from the wheels beat it up. We do another one right here. This car hasn't been driven very much. It's brand new, and you can already see how much stuff was coming out of this vent right here. So we'll do another piece right there. And then Hugo will dance behind me. And then we'll do a piece right here that follows this body line. That'll give this thing maximum protection and even double protection in the areas where it's most likely to get hit. We're gonna finish it off with Seacort's Finest Reserve, so it's super easy to wash, and I can't wait to show you the end results.